walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was shown. Though in time we'll grow, we'll still be alone. But our hearts say we'll stop beating, and our wounds, they won't stop bleeding. Oh no, no, our eyes, they won't stop seeing, and our hands, they won't stop reaching. So take us as we are, but take us not at all. We built a bridge to the stars just to watch it fall. In this curse of flesh has begun alright, and though it's not a lot, well, it's all we got, yeah. We walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was shown. Though in time we'll grow, we'll still be alone. But our hearts say we'll stop beating, and our wounds, they won't stop bleeding. Oh no, no, our eyes, they won't stop seeing, and our hands, they won't stop reaching. Take the wrinkle from my brow, the limp from my step, the obsession from my crown, my heavy laden breath, like teeth from my mouth, broken heart from my chest. All this ugliness you found, well, I pray you can accept, 'cause we are broken, weary and beat down. We've no energy to imitate these screens now. We've no taste for the life that they leech out. Time has moved us past the reach of eve now. We walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was shown. Though in time we'll grow, we'll still be alone. We walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope.